Today, we've got a review lineup of the best pallet racks that are revolutionizing the way businesses organize their warehouses. But before that, let's break down the 5 features we considered in picking the best pallet racks. First up, weight capacity. Your pallet racks need to be tough. They must safely support the weight of your goods without a hitch. Always plan for the maximum load to ensure safety and integrity. Next, size matters, and so does scalability. The dimensions of your racks should fit your warehouse and inventory. But here's a pro tip: think about the future. Opt for racks that can adapt as your storage needs evolve. Thirdly, let's talk about build quality. In a demanding warehouse environment, durability is key. Make a solid choice for strength and longevity, especially when you're dealing with heavier loads. Next is the type of racking system. Each type has its own perks in storage density and accessibility. Align your choice with your inventory management style and operational workflow. Last but definitely not least, safety features. We're talking about secure locking mechanisms, stable anchoring systems, and other safety properties. These qualities are a necessity for protecting your inventory and your team. Keep these in mind as we review the best pallet racks in the market. First is the Global Industrial Teardrop Pallet Rack Starter. Measuring 120-inch width by 48-inch depth by 120-inch height, this rack isn't just large, it's very efficient. It's built with heavy-duty 13-gauge steel uprights, ensuring it can withstand heavy loads without a sweat. The 15-gauge steel beams, featuring a 6-way locking action, enhance safety and structural integrity. Ideal for warehouses that need a flexible and durable solution, this rack also boasts tool-free assembly, making it incredibly user-friendly. Up next, the AK Industrial Teardrop Pallet Rack Frame stands out with its premium engineering. With dimensions of 42-inch depth by 120-inch height, it can handle a remarkable 5,028 pounds capacity per beam level. Its total frame capacity is an astounding 16,700 pounds. The standard teardrop design ensures compatibility with most pallet systems, and the added center reinforcing rib makes it exceptionally impact-resistant. It's a perfect choice for high-demand environments where capacity and durability are non-negotiable. Then there's the WORKPRO 5-tier metal shelving unit. This unit is not just about its 4,000 pounds total capacity, it's about flexibility. You can split it into 2 units, catering to different storage needs. Its dimensions are 48-inch width by 24-inch depth by 72-inch height, and its unique assembly options make it incredibly adaptable. Plus, the corrosion and rust-resistant structure ensure it stands the test of time, whether in a moist warehouse or a busy industrial storage space. Next we have the Shelving Inc. 2-tier Teardrop Pallet Rack Starter Unit. With a 4,340 pounds capacity and a robust steel construction, it's built for heavy-duty use. The rack's design includes a 3-rivet connection per beam, locking securely into the teardrop punched uprights for unmatched security. It's an ideal choice for environments where safety and reliability are paramount. Finally, the Ironton 4-tier Industrial Shelving Rack. This alloy steel construction, measuring 77-inch width by 24-inch depth by 72-inch height, is a powerhouse. Each shelf can hold up to 2,000 pounds. It's not just the capacity that impresses. The design includes 3 cross braces per shelf for added stability, and the wire mesh deck promotes air circulation, a key feature for storing sensitive items. It's a top choice for anyone needing a strong, stable, and versatile storage solution. And there you have it. These pallet racks represent the best in the market. Each has unique features tailored to various needs, from heavy-duty industrial use to versatile workshop organization. Remember to hit like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and industry insights.